ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa ó mà ti di wọ́ọ̀wọ́ báyìí ọkùnrin akọrin ẹ̀mí gospel artist yìí ti jáde síta o ìyẹn Goke Bajowa ti jáde lórí à ń gbórin ẹni a ò gbórin ẹni èyí tí wọ́n fi ẹ̀sùn kan Boye best tó máa ń kọrin gospel àtorin jùjú. Goke Bajowa ti fẹ̀sùn kan Boye best o ṣùgbọ́n ká tó play fídíò yìí fún yín kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ ohun tí wọ́n sọ níbẹ̀ ẹ máa bá wa subscribe sórí YouTube channel ẹ wá gbọ́ ohun tí Goke Bajowa tí wọ́n sọ lórí à ń gbórin ẹni a ò gbórin ẹni èyí tí wọ́n fi kan Boye best ẹ gbọ́ ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀.
ẹ jọ gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá mọ Boye best ẹ bá mi tag ẹ sí fídíò yìí. Help me tag him to this video. All his fans, his friends, well wishers, everybody to bat him wherever you are. Ẹ jẹ́ kó rí fídíò yẹn jọ kíákíá ẹ máa bá mi share ẹ. Now, do you know what this guy did? Ṣé mọ̀ pé for more than 5-6 years since he's been using my song indiscriminately, unauthorized, all these years tí mi ò sọ̀rọ̀, you know, and then anyway oníkọ́kọ́ ló ń kọ́ṣá but tí ẹ̀yẹn pọ̀ ó ti pọ̀ jù. Wọ́n ní díẹ̀ dàbí àwọn ọmọ sọ díẹ̀ tó nínú nǹkan ní nǹkan ìwọ̀nba lèèyàn ń lo nǹkan ní nǹkan mọ́ tó bá ti pọ̀ jù ó ti di nǹkan míì you know o lè lo anywhere orin yẹn ṣáà ló máa ṣáà lọ mọ́ ẹnu láti àárọ̀ dalẹ́ you know anyway that's not where I'm going ìyẹn wà ń bẹ́ẹ̀ mi ò sọ̀rọ̀ láti joy for some reasons tí mo máa mẹ́nuba nísìn I think I owe some people some explanation lórí reason tí mi yẹ tí sọ̀rọ̀ all this while like I said lots of people ló ń kọrin you know àwọn èèyàn dẹ̀ máa ń kọrin olórin náà you know in a way because our corporate space is not matured yet so a máa manage àwọn nǹkan yẹn you know but tó bá ti di bó ti pọ̀ jù láṣẹ jù bá ti wọ̀ ó ti di problem you know but I have not talked about it anyway we are still coming to that now nǹkan tí bàbá yìí ṣe nísìn tí mo rí lórí Instagram òun ni pé ó fẹ́ ṣe album launch ó dẹ̀ mú orin yẹn orin tó plagiarize orin mi tó kọ unauthorized video ẹ̀ ibi tó ti ń kọrin yẹn ó record video yẹn ó perform orin yẹn face ẹ̀ ló wà ń bẹ̀ ó dẹ̀ fi advertise album launch lórí page ẹ̀ ó fẹ́ ṣe album launch ìyẹn ló wá fi advertise ẹ̀ video ẹ̀ wà ń bẹ̀ voice ẹ̀ wà ń bẹ̀ everything wà ń bẹ̀ now ó fẹ́ ṣe album launch ó wá fi orin tó plagiarize with your own face with your own video ó fi advertise ẹ̀ what impression are you trying to sell out to people what impression ṣé ó fẹ́ orin yẹn sìn ó fẹ́ release ẹ̀ mọ́ àwọn tracks tó wà nínú album tó fẹ́ tó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ release ó fẹ́ fi orin yẹn sára àwọn tracks ẹ̀ èyí tó tún kọ tó remix unauthorized without permission without any license whatever you want to put it in that album and release it is that what you are trying to do I just hope that is not what you are trying to do I just hope so ẹ sọ fún ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá mọ̀ he dares not do that you know so because I don't know the reason why you can't sọ pé tèmi ló lò pé version tí mo kọ ló wá lò nsìn a sọ pé okay you know àwọn provisions yẹn wà lórí àwọn social media kìíní ẹ lè lo orin yẹn nìkan for one or two things bóyá bíi 1 minute ó ní limitations ó ní ibi téèyàn ó ní boundaries that you don't pass tó bá jẹ́ yẹn ló ṣì fi ṣe a lè sọ pé okay maybe a lè sọ pé okay ó tún help láti advertise ẹ ni you see but when people do things with evil intention you know that this person does not wish you well you see the intention is not right so ká ní pé tèmi ló lò a sọ pé okay ó advertise ẹ or something you know we can let it go ìyẹn tí ẹ kọ́ mọ́ àwọn ẹ̀ máa ṣe dáadáa so maybe no big deal sha we will be looking into that later but you use your own to plagiarize what is wrong with you now why are you behaving like this so the reason why I have kept quiet all this while over these many years like some people have you know challenged me pé kí ló tí mo ń wo bọ̀bọ̀ ìlú ṣe báyìí why am I not talking it's because of my health challenge I have certain health challenges tó jẹ́ pé mi ò fẹ́ add ọ̀rọ̀ BP mọ́ I don't want to tense myself up as much as possible tó wá máa jẹ́ kí n wà agitated I want to avoid it you know until when my health gets better anyway you know so I'm taking my time I try to take things cool as much as possible you know and then it can never be too late the internet doesn't forget we still all the records will be there if you want to pursue it anytime it will be there for you to pursue so I was never in a rush about it that's the reason jẹ́ mọ̀ pé ẹ̀ńtà rẹ̀ bá yá tó ṣe tó wà òkè òun ló lè máa ṣe wàhálà so if you mo ní nǹkan tí mo rán manage I need to you know take my time you know so but these people I don't know why so ẹ jọ̀ọ́ this is what this guy did ẹ jẹ́ kó máa mọ̀ ẹ lọ sọ fún please mátà yẹn ṣe wà nílẹ̀ gbogbo bó ṣe ń lò látijọ́ tó ń lórí mi indiscriminately unauthorized without any license without any permission from anybody ó ṣì wà nílẹ̀ àti visit like I said you know so because I kept quiet all this while for reasons that I've said and other reasons too anyway. Tí mo tún fi tí mo lè má lè mẹ́nu bà nísìn. You think I'm a fool? What is wrong with you? So tó bá rí invite sí radio program sí kó wá ṣe interview. Ó lè tán fi mọ̀ ẹ́ nìyẹn àbí? Wọ́n bá béèrè question lọ, tó bá béèrè question lọ ẹ̀ ń pa orin yẹn, kí ló fẹ́ sọ mbẹ̀? What do you want to tell them? Tó bá béèrè pé báwo ló yẹ ṣe wá, báwo ló ṣe gba inspiration ni? Because they are going to ask you those questions. What are you going to say? You will perform my song, you will perform it word for word to the last detail. You will record it, you post it on your page. You put your name there, you will never acknowledge me. You sang it for 5, 6 years. Only time you know that was the song to cut people go. You see, creating impressions, big and you never put a call through to me once, just courtesy call or some kind of just to work out some familiarity. You never did that for once. Now you are taking it to the peak, to an unimaginable peak. So, over release album, maybe over love you advertise album to release. It is looking like one of the tracks in that song is a remixed version of that my song that you have done, to release. That's the way it's looking. That's what it's looking like, and I'm just hoping it's not that. I'm hoping so. So that's why I'm doing this video, so that you can begin to hear now. You see, because it she one leg that we are not going, we are visiting this anyway, but not now. When the time is right, we'll do that. But to have Shele more again. Where do you people see all these gods? To anyway, now you can kill me because what because you don't have any well wishes for me. You don't have any good intentions about me. Oh, any good motives, Koko. If you could have your way to kill me and then claim that song for yourself, you will do it.
Ọ̀rọ̀ náà la gbọ́ tí bàbá wa Goke Bajowa tí wọ́n sọ lórí ẹ̀sùn tí wọ́n fi kan Boye Best wípé orin àwọn òun ni ó máa ń sábà kọ. Ṣáà tí ẹ mọ orin yìí? Orin tí Boye máa ń sábà kọ ni orin Ọlọ́run kò dàbí ènìyàn arónípin. Ènìyàn ìbá dàbí Ọlọ́run, wọn ò bá ní kójò máa rọ̀. Wọn ò bá ṣàyè bọ́n ṣe fẹ́, wọn ò bá kọjú ìjà sọ́lọ́run. Agbára ìbá pa wọ́n bí ọtí. Ènìyàn arónípin, Ọlọ́run bẹ̀ lókè, asọ̀rọ̀ máa yẹ. Ìwọ kọ́ ló dá mi, ìwọ kọ́ lọ́lọ́run. Ó sì ń sọ̀rọ̀ bí Elédùmarè, arónípin ẹ̀dá o, àti bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Ó yẹ kí a ti mọ orin yìí dáadáa. Orin yìí wà ní Boye Best máa ń sábà kọ, ṣùgbọ́n Goke Bajowa gangan ló ní orin yìí o. Ohun tí Goke Bajowa wá ń sọ ni wípé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn olórin náà ni wọ́n máa ń mú àwọn orin olórin tí wọ́n máa ń jọ mọ́ orin tiwọn, ṣùgbọ́n tí Boye Best yìí ti pọ̀ jù. Ohun tí Goke Bajowa yìí ń sọ nìyẹn. Ó ní ó tiẹ̀ nígbà kan tó yẹ pé ó ń ṣe launching orin kan. Ó ní orin tòun yìí gangan òun ni ó ń lò láti fi promote launching tí ó ń ṣe. Àwa ò dájọ́ o, a ò dájọ́ rárá. Ẹ̀yin ará alé, ẹ̀yin náà lẹ máa dá ẹjọ́. Àwọn olórin méjèèjì yìí ò bá ti mọ̀ wípé irú nǹkan báyìí náà ṣẹlẹ̀ sí Nubia àti Nkan Ayéfẹ́lẹ́ o, tí wọ́n ní wọ́n ń jí orin ara wọn kọ. Ṣùgbọ́n kí gbogbo nǹkan tó wá di yánpọnyánrin, òun la ṣe mú eléyìí náà wá sétí ìgbọ́yín. Kẹ́ ẹ wá fojú ṣùnùkùn, kẹ́ ẹ fi wò ó, kẹ́ ẹ dẹ̀ dájọ́. Kẹ́ ẹ bá wọn dá sí o, ká mọ̀ bóyá ohun tí Boye Best ṣe ó dáa àbí ò dáa. Àbí Goke Bajowa yìí náà àtẹnumọ́ rẹ̀ ti ń pọ̀ jù. Kẹ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká mọ̀ lábẹ́ comment section. Kẹ́ ẹ dẹ̀ má gbàgbé, ẹ máa bá wa subscribe sórí YouTube channel wa. Ẹ máa bá wa like, ẹ máa bá wa comment, kẹ́ ẹ máa bá wa share lórí YouTube channel yìí. King Fax Gist TV òun lẹ wà yìí o. Ó dìgbà.